Programming languages are the foundation of software development. They are used to build everything from mobile apps to complex software systems. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 programming languages to watch out for in 2023. These are the languages I recommend you learn in 2023 to get the best chance at success in the modern tech space. We took into account the learning curve, longevity, as well as the popularity of the programming languages while compiling this list. First on our list is Python. Python has been a very popular programming language for several years and is likely to remain so in the future. It is a versatile language that can be used for web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and more. Its ease of use and simplicity make it a great choice for beginners. The next one on our list is JavaScript. JavaScript is a language that is essential for web development. It is used to add interactivity to websites and create dynamic user interfaces. JavaScript has evolved over the years and it is now used not just for web development but also server-side programming and mobile app development. Third on our list is Java. Java has been a popular programming language for many years and it is widely used in enterprise software development. It is also used in the development of Android applications. Java is known for its possibility, scalability, and robustness. Fourth on our list is C#. C# is a programming language developed by Microsoft and it is used primarily for Windows desktop and web application development. It is also used in game development and has become popular in the Unity game engine. C# is known for its simplicity, speed, and reliability. Last but not least, we have Rust. Rust is a systems programming language that has gained popularity in recent years due to its focus on performance, reliability, and memory safety. It is commonly used in the development of operating systems, web browsers, and other low-level software. In conclusion, the programming languages we discussed in this video are just a few of the many programming languages that are popular today. However, I believe that these 5 programming languages will continue to be in demand and widely used in the years to come. Stay tuned for more updates on programming languages and trends in the tech industry. Thanks for watching. Have a great one.